Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is just a 12-minute clean with me type of video where I will be cleaning my son's room as it is just time to get some organization done. If you have 12 minutes to spend with me, thank you. And if you don't mind, going ahead and hitting that subscribe button down below, as well as giving this video a like and sharing it out. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back, and thank you for joining me again for today's video. I just want to get some organization skills going here with the games in the closet, as well as the bottom of the closet, and cleaning the whole room in general, going through toys. And of course, you can't have a clean room without clean bed sheets, so I will be going ahead and washing that. I literally just wanted to vacuum up what was in the closet and then get ready to organize the books until I realized it's just time to ask, what are you going to read, what are you not going to read, and get rid of them. So I will be taking them to my classroom because a lot of the boys love Dogman books along with Captain Underpants. So I'm going to be putting his games back up here along with some of the DVDs that are not being watched at the moment, just to get rid of some stuff. We ended up going through the whole bin of toys just to see what he wanted to keep, what he didn't want to keep, and what he did not want to keep went in a container to be dropped off at Goodwill. So I'm bringing back in the dresser, and on top of there I thought he could have whatever movies or DVDs that he actually watches, and along with like deodorant and stuff like that for when he gets out of the shower. The blue 3-tier rolling rack I thought would be great to get out of here and just clear up some space. So we put everything else back that was on it and kind of organized a bunch of stuff. Those rolling carts make really good use for a lot of things, like in bedrooms, art carts, snack carts, and for the bathroom and stuff like that. Luckily I had caught those on sale for $30 from Michael's last year, and ordered one of every color to go with everybody's room. Trying to get the hangers put up in a way so that I can get the bedding off of this bed and into the washer. You cannot have a clean room and not go ahead and get the bedding washed as well. While I get ready to throw the clothes into the washer, I'm going to go ahead and spray some Febreze in here just to get it a good scent going. Now that it's almost 8 o'clock, it is definitely getting late, and I need to finish getting everything else done and in the washer. I am going to wash the pillow. I normally get afraid to wash pillows, but now that I have the big comforter to hold the pillow on one side, I did go ahead and wash it and just put it on top of the comforter to dry. Once I get everything out of the washer and dryer, then I'm going to put his stuff back on his bed, and I basically will be done cleaning up the room. Thank you everyone for sticking around to watch this 12-minute clean with me video. I hope that you all have enjoyed. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you got done today. It is 8:55 and I'm just getting the stuff out of the dryer to put back on the bed so that he can get ready to go to bed. So thanks for watching.